Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE. The vehicle features a 3 litre diesel SDV6 engine and an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover Sport is finished in the stunning Narvik Black exterior colouring. The vehicle sits on these 20-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. And at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with our electric powered tailgate, revealing a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located on the right here we have access to a 12-volt power outlet, and on this control panel here we have the ability to raise and lower the vehicle's ride height to help with loading the vehicle. Located underneath the boot space we have access to a spare wheel should you ever need it. And once again, at a click of a button, our electric powered tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, straight away on these air vents here we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle. We can also access our heated rear seat controls, and we also have two 5-volt USB sockets along with another 12-volt power outlet. Now the seats themselves are composed of this ebony leather. We also have access to a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. And we also have rear ISOFIX points available for any younger companions joining you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional steering wheel, our 10-inch colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous ebony leather seats. Now these seats are electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available. They are also heated and even feature a memory function so that the driver and passenger can always resume the perfect travelling position. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional steering wheel, on the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control and speed limiter. Now this Range Rover Sport has done 34,294 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. We also have access to multiple driver displays to choose from, including driver assistance, map, trip summary, media, off-road information, and the ability to turn it off for anyone who might find this distracting. Now taking a look at our 10-inch colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all-important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. The vehicle is also equipped with a rear view camera system, which is a great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. By clicking here we can access key information tab when taking your vehicle off-roading. The vehicle is also equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. We also have access to easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is another great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. At a click of a button we can also access the vehicle's terrain response system, which offers you multiple different programs to suit the terrain that you are driving on. By clicking here we can access the vehicle's media controls along with Bluetooth telephone functionality. By clicking on seats we can access the controls for our heated front seats, setting the perfect temperature for both the driver and passenger. By clicking on climate we can control the airflow within the vehicle and also access our climate control system. Now as you can see, the climate controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. Once again, at a click of a button we can access our heated front seat controls, setting the perfect temperature, for everyone who travels within this vehicle. Now this Range Rover Sport also features a fixed panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature for sunny days as it allows plenty of daylight into the vehicle, creating a nice light open feel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online now.